Hey, good afternoon, guys. We're sitting out here on this piece of property, checking out this Nixa Hardware Summer Giant food plot here. And as you guys can see, there is an astronomical amount of forage here for those deer. And I'll walk you through some of the products there that they have in here, the seed blend. We've got really good soil compact there, so great seed to soil contact. That's what we're looking for there. But to walk you guys through it, that is what they call buckwheat there. And deer will actually hammer that. This particular food plot has got a lot of nutrition for deer there. As you guys can see, hopefully there's a lot of beans coming in through here. Really works out good. So there's sorghum, soybeans, hemp, sunflower, cowpeas, okra there, and just a large amount of forage for these deer there. So kind of walk you guys through how we get this property or this piece of or this food plot prepared. We'll come through here with a brush hog there. We usually use our Swisher pull behind the ATV, UTV, or brush hog, whatever you guys have got there. And then 2 weeks later, we'll come through here and go ahead and plant it, or go ahead and spray it with the workhorse sprayer, 41 glyphosate there at Cornerstone Products, a good one there. And then we're waiting to plant until May 15th there, right before, right after any kind of potential frost and the average year would occur there. And then that next rainfall, we're going to go ahead and get this stuff broadcast in through there. You know, if you got a drill, if you're going to drill it in here, or if you're going to till it up or disc it up, make sure you get that good ground worked up, however you're going to do it there, after you go ahead and kill off that vegetation there at that 41 glyphosate. And then after that, make sure if you are disking or broadcasting that seed with the earthway spreader, you're turning right back around and rolling through there with some sort of drag system, a harrow, where you go ahead and get that seed to soil contact, get that initial layer on top of that food plot. And you guys are going to have a great food plot, as you guys can see right here there. The deer come in here on a daily basis there, really beneficial for not only deer, but I've also seen small little fawns hiding out in this stuff on trail camera there. And overall, you know, just to protect your entire deer herd, you know, I cannot say enough about how much I've been impressed with this Summer Giant food plot there from Nixa Hardware. So like always, hope you guys are getting out there in nature, and best luck on your upcoming hunt.